Hey guys, in July 2024, gold analysis is the live market. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 57, 5, check the 15 10 minutes chart. Now, this is the third wave. It is the fourth wave between the 58, 38 percentage. This is the area of interest for buyers. Here, let's check the chart. A, B, C, A, B, C, and on XAU. So this is one A, B, and C, X, A, B, and C. Now it's very small 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the correction is nearly 50%. I am not convinced that this one is a new impulse because volume is very low. You can see is the level. I'm not convinced that it's the new cycle, but we may see some correction like this. We may see a triangle. So area of interest is between 2365 to 2368. This is 5 to 6. This is the buying area. Price in this area will bounce. So be like this. C, D, E, then go upside. Or trade like this. If price comes near to 370, then we will take the stop loss. This is the stop loss. 2368, 2365. 2365, and our target is 2410. This is the trade. If price comes near 2365, then our SL will be 2360. In put the SL safer side 2360. Target is 2410. So this is the live market. Indian time is around 5:30 p.m. This is my trade for the gold. You enjoy this live trading.